What day is today? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And you were from which school? In which class you are studying? Now in 9th standard. Oh, your test is now new test. Did you get the test? Did you get all the tests? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the conjunction. Vida, do you know what's a conjunction? Used it in words or sentences. Now today without, that is a conjunction. Dia, do you know the meaning of without? Except. Can you give an example of without? Without hard work. You cannot thrive without hard work. So there, the conjunction without is used having the meaning except. അതായത് കൂടാതെ. ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ഇല്ലാതെ, ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് കൂടാതെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കഠിനാധ്വാനം കൂടാതെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിജയിക്കാൻ കഴിയും. So without is used except. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കൂടാതെ എന്ന meaning without. Really that is a linking word or a